LIG NEX1 has unveiled its latest multi-purpose unmanned helicopter, MPUH, during the MADEX 2023 exhibition in Busan, while preserving its intended meaning. The MPUH, a vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, was showcased by the South Korean company. It boasts a length of 3.5 meters and an operating range exceeding 50 kilometers. With a maximum takeoff weight of 200 kilograms and a payload capacity of 60 kilograms, it demonstrates impressive capabilities. Equipped with an electro-optic/infrared pod and a forward-facing camera, the MPUH is primarily designed for reconnaissance purposes. It can soar up to a service ceiling of 2,500 meters and reach a maximum speed of 140 kilometers per hour, while maintaining an endurance of 6 hours. LIG NEX1 highlights the compact and streamlined design of the MPUH, allowing for deployment from small landing pads. The helicopter is propelled by a 60-horsepower engine manufactured by Austrian company Austro, although the exact model remains undisclosed. Designed with versatility in mind, the MPUH caters to various mission requirements, including transport, reconnaissance, and surveillance. Additionally, Warzobe Plus understand that it can be equipped with supplementary payloads to support anti-submarine warfare missions.